CBD for allergies. Every year, seasonal allergies make their comeback and stop thousands, if not millions of people from enjoying the outdoors. If you are part of this statistic, you know how hard it can be to find a natural solution that actually works. In this video, we're taking a look at what CBD can do for you. CBD is a hemp molecule that has countless health benefits. Although it doesn't currently have FDA approval, hundreds of studies show that it's safe and can treat many conditions. When it comes to seasonal allergies, CBD works by decreasing the production of mast cells in your body. These cells are responsible for releasing histamines, which is what gives you the classic hay fever symptoms: red eyes, itchy nose, sneezing, coughing. Studies also show that the terpenes in cannabis can decrease irritation of the nose and eyes. This means that choosing a broad-spectrum CBD product full of helpful terpenes could further decrease your allergic reaction. Finally, CBD has anti-inflammatory properties, which could help with itchy or painful eyes and nose. Although we don't have enough research to show that CBD helps with seasonal allergies, there are good reasons to believe it could give you at least some relief. If you want to give it a try, we recommend going for a broad-spectrum product and taking it on a daily basis so that the substance can build up in your body. For more information, visit thecbdmagazine.com.